10 Wearable Summer Fashion Trends for 2024. Summer 2024 is shaping up to be an exciting season for fashion, blending comfort, elegance, and daring new takes on traditional styles. Designers are pushing boundaries with materials, colors, and cuts that inspire a fresh look at warm weather dressing. Here are 10 of the most wearable summer fashion trends for 2024 that offer something for everyone, whether you're lounging by the beach, attending a rooftop party, or embracing the sunny outdoors. 1. Sheer layering. This summer, sheer fabrics are getting a refined, wearable twist. From delicate chiffon blouses to transparent dresses layered over swimsuits or slips, sheer layering lets you play with texture while keeping cool. For an elevated daytime look, try pairing a sheer tunic over shorts or a fitted crop top. This trend is all about creating a subtle allure, and layering allows you to control how much skin you show, making it perfect for various occasions. 2. Vibrant color blocking. Color blocking is back, but this season it's bolder and brighter. Think primary colors like cobalt blue, deep red, and sunny yellow paired together or mixed with contrasting shades. Dresses, skirts, and tops are embracing this look with geometric patterns and large swatches of color. Try combining vibrant hues with neutral accessories to let the colors shine. The best part: this trend suits all skin tones and can be as bold or subtle as you like. 3. Tailored Bermuda shorts. Gone are the days when shorts were only casual wear. This summer, Bermuda shorts are getting a sophisticated upgrade with tailored cuts and high-quality fabrics. These longer, knee-length shorts come in various styles, from high-waisted and belted to wide-leg, and pair well with fitted tops or breezy blouses. Perfect for a polished yet relaxed look, tailored Bermuda shorts are ideal for summer outings and even office attire with the right blazer. 4. Metallic accents. Metallics are stepping into the summer scene, bringing a hint of glam to everyday outfits. Look for pieces with metallic threading, sequined accents, or even full metallic skirts and tops. Incorporating metallic accents, such as a shimmery top paired with neutral trousers, can add a stylish flair to any outfit without feeling overwhelming. This trend is versatile, allowing you to go subtle with small details or fully embrace the shine. 5. Statement florals. Florals are a summer classic, but in 2024, they're getting bigger, bolder, and more artistic. Oversized blooms and abstract floral patterns are taking center stage in dresses, skirts, and tops. Designers are opting for watercolor-like prints and three-dimensional floral embellishments that make a statement. Pair a statement floral dress with minimal accessories to let the pattern speak for itself, or mix floral prints for a daring, eye-catching ensemble. 6. Athletic-inspired swimwear. Swimwear for 2024 is blending sport and style with athletic-inspired pieces that look just as good out of the water. Think sporty one-pieces with high necklines, racerback styles, and bold color blocking. These swimsuits are often made from performance fabrics, offering extra support and durability. Athletic swimwear is also versatile. Pair a one-piece with high-waisted shorts, and it doubles as a chic bodysuit. 7. Crochet. Everything crochet is making a strong comeback this summer, offering a vintage-inspired texture that's both breathable and stylish. From crochet dresses and tops to beach cover-ups, this trend brings a bohemian vibe to any look. Opt for neutral shades like beige, cream, and white for a timeless look, or go bold with vibrant hues. Crochet is perfect for layering over swimsuits at the beach or as an everyday outfit with denim or lightweight trousers. 8. Utility-inspired pieces. Practicality meets fashion with utility-inspired outfits, featuring pieces like cargo pants, jumpsuits, and belted jackets. Summer 2024 is seeing these items updated with softer fabrics and sleeker silhouettes that feel both functional and stylish. Utility-inspired pieces often come in earthy tones like olive green, beige, and khaki, making them easy to mix and match. Style cargo pants with a fitted top or a simple crop for a casual yet fashionable look. 9. Minimalist sandals. Footwear trends for summer 2024 are focusing on comfort and simplicity, with minimalist sandals taking the lead. Thin strapped sandals, slides, and barely their designs are perfect for warm weather days and can easily transition from day to night. These sandals pair effortlessly with everything from sundresses to shorts, giving your outfit a relaxed yet refined feel. Look for neutral tones or metallics to keep the style versatile. 10. Oversized sunglasses. No summer look is complete without a great pair of sunglasses, and for 2024, oversized frames are the way to go. From bold, retro-inspired shapes to sleek, modern designs, oversized sunglasses add a touch of glamour and a hint of mystery to any outfit. Look for tinted lenses in unexpected colors like pink or green for a trendy twist. Whether you're at the beach or a rooftop party, these shades are a functional and fashionable accessory. Summer 2024 is about embracing personal style with trends that are as wearable as they are unique. From sheer layers and bold colors to functional utility wear and oversized sunglasses, this season offers fresh ways to elevate your wardrobe while staying cool and comfortable. Incorporate these trends in your summer style, and don't be afraid to mix and match to create a look that's all your own. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Drop a comment with your thoughts. And I'll see you in the next one.